Hi everyone, hope you are good. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Redmi 9A9C. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls or not working for the recordings, you can fix it by the way as I will show you in this video tutorial. So before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now to fix the mic issue, just follow the steps in watching the video and you will learn how you can fix the mic problem. Let's watch it.